To the person I love the most, to my mother, happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Sit back, relax, enjoy, and appreciate this movie treat. I know it's just for you. Ma, this video will never be enough for everything you've done for me. For the sacrifices, from the minute you gave birth, labor pa nga lang, sabi mo hirap na hirap ka na, di ba? From the minute you gave birth, until magdalaga ako, ikaw yung nagturo sa akin ng lahat ng kailangan ko para magiging mabuting tao. Thank you for all the sacrifices, Mama. For all the things you've given. For making me happy, for making me proud, and for being the perfect mother. Yes, Mama. Sabi nga nila, walang perfect na tao sa mundo. Pero for me, all your flaws and imperfection makes you perfect. Sobrang tibay ng loob mo, spiritual, ang tapang, and everything. Mama, you're my hero, you're my idol. I look up to you so much. Mama, you're my inspiration. I'd like you to know that. Na the reason why I'm doing these things is for us. I never pictured myself out without you. Mama, tayong dalawa lang magkasama ngayon. I mean, you raised me alone. Yes, with the help of other family members, pero Mama, you didn't. Mama, you're the best. And if ever God would allow me to choose my mother, it would still be you. Kasi Mama, sobrang thankful ako kay Lord kasi binigay ka niya sa akin. Pinili ka niya para sa akin. And Mama, I may not be the perfect daughter. Alam ko pasaway ako. Alam ko matigas ang ulo ko. And at times nakakasama ako ng loob. Pero one thing is for sure, Ma. I'll always be there for you. I'll never leave you. We'll grow up and die together. I love you, Mama. I'm so proud of you. Happy Mother's Day!